management study area, so that it is lot of work in the reference management aspects, so that you make it clear reference is the first step of your carry out in the research, so that after making your title you should go for collection of literature. That collection of literature is the step is for your reference management, so that it is very needed for your reference management. For this kind of purpose, this chart is entirely give some picture how references is derived from various part of our research process. The first process of our references help to you find out your research problem. Second, if you are find out the research problem, you go for some keywords, that is called key area, that is called core subject area or sub area, sub theme area, or basis of objective. You collect some literature. The literature are itself helping for your references. And if you want to identify a research gap, and then you should be clear for your hypothesis development before going to analysis. That hypothesis development stage, the reference will help you. After that making of objective, you should go for research design and data collection and data processing and even data interpretation stage. At the stage of interpretation, that cross reference will be given to you. The what you called if you have one result, for example, if you are doing a finance management, any kind of subject, you have to research, do for research. For example, liquidity and profitability. Liquidity and profitability. The word is called the liquidity is negatively influenced the profitability of the firm. This is what called you have stated in the hypothesis. But your result, the same result you have got it in the data analysis, what you have done. So that you have give the same result, and some result you have cited, that is called in line with or contrary result of some author. Some inline with some author's references you could be provided. This is very good methodology for your data interpretation stage also. And even some of now recommendation are that validating some of the result for the particular purpose, the references which will help you, so that I will be focus the entire area. It is very useful for you, so that be enjoyed in the session. It is more entertainment one as well as more knowledgeable one. Okay, now move into directly into the our reference management plan. The plan of our reference management, what is the basic? It is simply touch with the basic area. Reference. Second one, how the reference it will works, and how it will be very useful in the platform of Zotero. So that the three aspects I will give for entire presentation, so that humbly and silently you can read all the aspects, and then you want to ask any type of question. I will really help you to clear for all your questions. Okay, this is what basis of our reference management. References is called a systematic process of organizing searched literature. It is easily retrievable and citable, so that it is very simple. Okay, don't worry. More practical, that is called, I will simply skip into the area. What kind of constitution, what are the elements is there in the reference? The reference having the title of the article, that is called author name, title of the article, journal name, year of publication, volume, and page number. These are the main content of your reference. Okay, and why references is used? Being very important point, you know that if you are being avoid the plecarism, if you are using the original source of data, the piece of information, if you have original, the thought is original, your data gets not plecarized. So that it is a very simple idea for avoiding literature. You must learn the reference management is very important. And the second one, It helps the reader to find out the original information and or ideas. For what? The reviewer. For example, if you are writing an article, the reviewer easily gets the idea from the original source of information. And another one demonstrates the knowledge and familiarity about your topic. I will show it everything for a practical manner. Don't worry for the important notes. Okay. The text is needed for reference. Which text is needed for the reference? So that if you are writing an article, any common knowledge, that is a common statement is there, no need to give for reference. For example, India is one of the most populous countries in the world. This is a common statement. This is a common statement. No need to give the any cross reference. Tuberculosis, TB, is a bacterial disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is a scientific term. This is a common terminology. The common terminology, no need to give for reference. How to choose the reference? The limitation in the number of reference depends on your journal and type of article. If you are published quality of the particular journal you have, but your article being a qualitiest one, the reviewer, as well as the journal editorial committee first check your references. Then the references is properly done, do for the next process, so that the particular references you properly done, almost all the problem will be completed. Limit the references to latest, relevant, best. The three criteria you have. Latest. For example, most of the studies about that more than 10 years back, some references is collected and given to the thesis and article. No need for this kind of activity. The reviewer, most of the reviewer in the reputed journal, as well as the Scopus Index journal, asking for the latest review you have. You collected for the latest review now, so that that is what meritorious in your presentation of your article. The relevant and best, these three things are very, very important. You have collected for your references. Okay, cite fairly. Do not cite it, not have and read. So that inappropriate style of references, that is called bibliographical style, won't be accepted by the reviewer as well as editorial board. So that to keep the copy, all the references and web pages are likely to change. Okay. The references is essential component in all aspects. Some of the kind of references you have are you seen in the many of the article. Number one is numbered style, author date style, and footnote style. The most probably Van Hover and IEEE and AIP type of reference style used for the square bracket into the numbers. So that if you choose any of the particular journal in this indexed area, so that you have prepared for your article, you should be give the references into the square bracket is very, very essential. And for example, another one type that is called if you are preparing any of the PhD thesis now, so that author with the date, these are the common acceptance area. Now, most of the social science researchers, Harvard and APA style, our style, commerce, management, as well as business area, using for the business style is called APA method of research style. So that you should be accommodated with the second type of style of your references. And another one, footnote style, it is a previous one. That is called Chicago style. The previously, the second chapter is called Review of Literature in almost all the thesis. The thesis almost writing in the area, provided that one author and within the bracket give their year for publishing, and immediately given the footnote. That footnote, and after that your footnote area will give the all the publication details. That is called bibliographical details. Everything is given. That is a old concept. Nowadays the entire concept is deviated accordingly the need of the work. the need of the university as well as other kind of publisher aspects. Okay, these are the okay, could be, these are the numbered style and the number of references. No need to go for A to Z order. No need to go for A to Z. That is called alphabetical order. No need for alphabetical order. Because of that, numbered order is there, but not in the alphabetical order. Okay, simply you understood for the concept. No need for extra. This is called author with the date style. These are the style cross in-text references given into the APA style in the most of the reviewed as well as Scopus in-text journal. This type of style, reference style, you already known, but you seen. But our Jotaro works with this kind of style, so that it is very utilized for you. Another one, footnote style. This is the footnote style. The previously we did, but our concept is entirely new, so that this kind of reference style also we are provided.